Alright, so let's talk about gospel endings on the key of C. Here is it. Oh. Or you can spread your hands and do something like this. So let's go ahead and break that down. Let's see ways we can apply it. And Hosanna in the highest, and let our King be lifted high. And Hosanna. Yeah, so we can actually apply it there. So let's go ahead and break it down. On my left hand side, what I'm doing essentially is this. I started with the root, which is the 1, C. Then next, I'm doing this. Let's take that again before I spell it out. So this is C. See, I'm doing that grace note from A to B. Then I came back to A, something like. Then next, F, grace note from G to A, like that. Ta-da. Then came back to G. So let me do it again one more time. While on my right hand side, I'm doing this. You see, left hand and right hand, we are starting with the C played together with my pinky, the smallest finger. So this is right hand side. Let me spell it out before I play it together. It's this. Let me do it again. So this is C. With my index, I'm playing the F. I'm doing it as a grace note to G, coming back to F. With my thumb, I'm playing D. Then E, F, and E. This is my index on E. So if I incorporate it and play it with my both hands, very slow, this is how it will sound. So let me forget about the C's and just play it. This is it. So the whole idea about this is just like the way we have parts in song, where we have the soprano, we have alto, and we have the tenor. So that's what is going here. So essentially, I'm harmonizing what I'm playing on the melody on top. Like here I'm playing. So let's say this is soprano, like starting from the F. Let's say this is the chord. If this is okay, this is the chord. If this is soprano, this will be alto, this will be tenor. So essentially, I'm parting soprano with tenor. So soprano on my right, tenor on my left. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's take it very slow one more time. This is it. So let me play it full now with starting from the C. This is it. See the way I sustain that C. Well, let's try it again, very slow this time. This time around, I'm going to play the 2C. Like I'll play this octave and play this upper octave. So it will be this. Let's take that again. So that's how we do that. Or just in case you just want to do just alone, it will still be this, right, without the C. But there's something else we do on the one, like just to keep the atmosphere. Let's say somebody begin to lift your voice and thank the Lord, bless the Lord. Tell him how good he is. You see the way I'm just maintaining the atmosphere just on the one, then I'm playing sus2, like F sus2. This is F sus2 now, then I'm going back to the one again. So keeping the atmosphere like this, you can just do something simple like this. See what I'm doing, right? So essentially, this is what I'm doing. This is just C. So that's like A to B, then coming back to A. That's what I'm doing. C perfect fifth, then da, da, one, da, da, da. So that's what's going on the left hand side. While on my right hand side, I'm using my thumb and pinky to play the C. We have C, the middle C, and another C in this upper register. So to complement what I'm doing here on my left hand side, I'm just playing F, G, and F. So this is it. That's what I'm doing. You play your one chord again. Now I'm trying to incorporate it. See the way I sustained the C, like I didn't just play it and took my hand off, and I'm also pressing my sustain pedal. So this is it. For this, I'm playing on my left. This is C, G, and C. Then on my right, I'm just playing D and G. This C is just on top. I didn't move it. So let's do that again. I played this once, and after that I didn't move it. So what is just moving is just then here. Let me play it in slow motion this time around. So this is it. Left hand side is doing, the right hand side is doing this, like your C sus4. Then if I add my left hand now, this is it. Now I'm trying to increase the speed a little bit. Then you can go to the upper register and just do it. I mean, you know how to, like, just trying to keep the atmosphere. Yeah, or we can do the other one, which is has a rootless C on the left. See the way I started by playing the C, the both C. This is C on my left, then C on my right. So in order for you to achieve, get the same sound as mine, you notice that I'm not using hard touch on the, like, in playing it. So we have soft touch and we have hard touch. Like, I'm not playing it hard, just soft. Yeah, just soft touch. So that's that about gospel endings.